This time, no. I'll do my favorite stuff. I love playing cards. Do you play cards, Cyrus?
No, I'm not a card guy, bro.
But
I've got ADHD. Anything that takes long, I get bored.
Okay.
Yeah.
This will happen very quickly.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Sounds like my wife. Okay, sorry.
Okay. So the deck is going to be on the table.
Huh.
I will not touch it.
Okay.
I want you to name any playing card you like, but see, here's the thing. People always end up naming playing cards like the Ace of Spades or the Queen
I was going
of
to say
Hearts.
that.
And I know, right? These are... No,
This man
this
is kidding me.
No. This
I had
is...
Ace of Spades in my head. No, I can't say it.
Now you can't say it because
Yeah.
it's very common also. So Ace of Spades, Queen of Hearts, the
Okay.
Kings are very common cards.
Okay.
I'm not saying you can't name them. I'm just
Okay.
saying they're common. So
Okay.
that if you want to name a different card, you can go for it.
I have to say it loud?
Yes, name the card.
Okay, Jack of Diamonds.
Jack of Diamonds.
Huh.
Any special reason for it or just...
I just wanted to be different because all the
that
things
is
I
fine.
wanted to say, you have said.
Okay.
So I was down to now thinking.
No problem.
Well, since I'm not a card guy, I have to remember the names. Huh?
No problem. So Jack of Diamonds is what we'll go with. Now, like you said earlier, we had to clear up during the Barbara thing that you did not tell me the name or something like
No,
that.
I did.
So even some people might end up thinking that I told you to just say the Jack of Diamonds.
No, you told me not to say Ace of Spades.
Yes.
Huh.
So what we'll do is we also need a number, but this time just for people watching it at home, we will keep that number random so that people know that you are also not in control of this. Okay, bit. So I have my stopwatch opened up.
Okay.
I'm going to hit start. And you know that, this is minutes, seconds, milliseconds. So if I hit stop, it's 3:33, right? So that is all you have to do. You have to hit start at any point of time you like. You just hit stop and we'll have a bunch of numbers. That's it. That's all you have to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Who hits?
You hit start.
Okay. Where's start? I can't see.
Start is on this side. Little green
Sorry.
button.
Got it.
And at any point of time you like, just hit stop. You can wait as long as you want. Yes. Oh, almost. Yeah. Oh. If this works now, I will be impressed. It is going to be one of those.
We are cutting to an item number.
Oh my God.
Okay, start.
What do we have?
21.11.
21 and 11. So
Yeah.
21 and 11 is? If you add them up?
32.
32. So how amazing would it be, Cyrus? You said the Jack of Diamonds.
Correct.
How amazing would it be? I have not touched this deck. If you pick up the cards and you count down to the 32nd card, it will be the Jack of Diamonds.
From up to down, I reached number
Up to
32.
down. 32.
So-
And it should be your card.
गिन के बताओ.
देखो sir.
1.
You can count them face up so people can.
Is that
also
1 or
see.
2?
That is 1.
Sir, मेरा feeling नहीं है हाथ में अभी आजकल. 2, 3, 32nd, ना?
32nd.
4,
4. You can go faster.
5. Sir, I can't go
6.
faster. 6. I told you the women have
7.
complained from childhood. This is
This is 7, 8,
8, 9,
9, 10.
11. Why
You have to
laughing?
get to 32.
I know.
12.
Audience is very old.
Oh, okay.
क्या बोला उसने? 13,
Oh,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, nearly 19, 20.
20. Oh, this was very close.
This is a
Jack of Hearts. Jack of Hearts. We came very close.
21, 22, 23, 24. We're nearly there, guys.
Yes,
Last over.
almost.
25, 26.
26.
We take a break and do it after the break.
Yeah, probably we should.
27, 28, 29,
30,
30.
31.
Bro, now look. मैं एक बात बताऊं as your lawyer.
Oh, yes, of course.
अब तो 31 हो गया.
हाँ.
अब मैं सेटिंग भी कर सकता इसके बाद. I can check, see where Jimmy is, Jackie Diamond, whatever his name is,
हाँ.
and then I can put him on.
Okay.
Yeah,
you want to check?
Or I'll be honest and just open it right now.
Open it right now.
You're confident?
Yes, absolutely.
Lock किया जाए?
Yes,
Lock किया जाए.
बिल्कुल. 7 crore. We have Jack of Diamonds, guys. 32.
How did he do it? 32nd card is
The Jack of Diamonds.
Diamonds. Here you go.
Could have gone for 31. Would have gone very badly.
Ah. Oh, what a fabulous.
I know, dude.
This is damn good, yeah.
Now this
At
is-
least you're impressing an old man. Nothing else. So, guys, once again, I'm just saying, this is all real.
There's
We've not done any setting of any kind.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I have never met him before,
Yeah, man.
you know. And in fact, he's told me publicly that we should never say hello in public after this podcast. Huh.